This is Miss Carla's classroom, and we've got a new sound with not one or two, but 3 letters. An E, an A, and an R say ear, just like this part of your body. Ear. Let's say it. Ear, 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 ear. Great job. Ear as in tear, when you might be a little bit sad. Ear, tear. Some people have a fear of spiders or snakes. Fear, ear. Fear means you're a little bit scared of them. Here is a spear. Ear, spear. When you write a letter, you start by saying dear, d-ear, dear mum. Here is an ear. Can you hear ear using your ear? Those 2 words rhyme. This man has a big beard. B-ear-d, beard. There are a lot more ear words. Can you think of any of them? Here is a clue. Let's write the 3 letters that make the ear sound. Around the egg, down to the pan. Around the apple, down the stem. Down the robot and up over his arm. Ear. Now it's your turn. Around the egg, down to the pan. Around the apple, down the stem and flick. Not around the robot, down the robot and up over his arm. I know you're going to write them very neatly. Let's use our letters and sounds to write some ear words. Dear. He wrote a letter that said, Dear Auntie. Dear. Year. On January 1, you say, Happy New Year. Year. And your challenge word is clear. When there are no clouds in the sky, it's a clear day. Dear, year, and clear. Get ready to give yourself some ticks or cross out your mistakes and try again. D-ear, dear. Y-ear, year. K-ear, clear. Fantastic. Well done. It's time to beat me to say all of the sounds that we already know. Oi, ow, I, ah, ch, e, z, oo, and oo. Or, o, a, sh, qu. And this was the sound that we just learned. Ear. I have got a job for you. Go and find a book or a newspaper or a magazine at home and see if you can find any of the Phase 3 phonics sounds. You could even try and read some of those words. I'll see you next time. Bye.